Hi guys, welcome to the world of chemistry. As you all know, what is chemistry? Chemistry is nothing but atoms, molecules, ions, compounds. We come across n number of compounds in our day-to-day life. Whatever you see around us, everything is matter, and that matter consists of one or the other chemicals. We'll be learning in a new chapter in this particular class, that is chemical bonding and molecular structure. Before understanding this chapter, chemical bonding and molecular structure, let us see, when you all visit to the chemistry lab, what do you do generally? This new compound, what is the reason behind the formation of new compound? All this curiosity you will be having, and that curiosity I will be explaining why that reaction or why that new compound is formed. Everything in depth we will be learning in the chemical bonding and molecular structure. In this chapter, we will be learning a new terminology related to this covalent compounds as well as ionic compounds. A quick introduction about this chapter. What are the different concepts we are going to learn in this chapter? The first concept of this chapter is causal-Lewis approach towards the chemical bonding. What exactly they have done it? Causal and Lewis approached for the formation of both ionic compounds as well as covalent compounds. Before understanding ionic compounds and covalent compounds, they have understood that there are valence electrons. There are Valencial electrons will be present in the valence shell. That they call it as valency, the number of electrons lost or gained by that atom. Once they have understood, yes, this valence electron plays a very vital role in the formation of molecules and compounds. A new theory arises that is called Valencial electron pair repulsion theory. You will be learning about VSEPR theory. With this VSEPR theory, we are going to understand how these covalent molecules will form, how the sharing of electrons will form, why this covalency or why the electrons will distribute among themselves or share among themselves. That is what, to make the stability. The stability was also taught by this Lewis as well as causal. Why? What is the reason of gaining stability? This is what we call it as octet structure. Every atom wants to become stable of the nearest noble gas. That is what all the noble gases, what is present in the 18th group elements, either by transfer of electrons or by sharing of electrons, and they will become stable. And also they taught this stability or this octet rule is not satisfied to all the molecules as well as the compound. Before understanding these theories, we need to understand certain bond parameters, certain concepts. That is a new concept which you had not learnt in your lower classes, that you will be learning, that is called bond parameters. Under bond parameters, you will be having bond length, bond angle, and bond dissociation energy, and so on. Once you are learnt about this, we will be moved to the valence bond theory. Here there is a new terminology you will be learning in this chapter, that is called hybridization. What is hybridization? As you all know, there are orbitals, S, P, D and F orbitals, and form a new hybrid orbitals. So coming to your competitive exams mark distribution, your NEET exam will have around 5 marks question, and JEE mains you will have around 8 marks question, JEE advanced you will be having around 3 marks questions, and Karnataka CET K-Set will have around 3 marks questions. To learn more about this chapter, log into our website neuralpruning.com.